The Health and Medical Services are located on both Gold Coast and Nathan campuses. We have a range of health professionals on site to assist your medical needs, including doctors, clinical nurses, mental health consultants and psychiatrists. We are like any other medical centre and can support you with travel vaccinations, first aid, emergency treatment, sexual health, family planning and contraception, skincare and conditions, and also referral to specialists. Your records are strictly confidential and we do not share your medical information with anyone without your consent. Your medical records can only be accessed from our services at the Gold Coast and Nathan facilities and by a medical professional. Most students see us about getting fit for placement and their immunisation needs. If you need help to get your immunisation sorted, you will need to make an appointment with one of our nurses and bring along all your vaccination history with you. So how can you access your immunisation history? Domestic students can create a Medicare online account through the MyGov website or the Express Plus Medicare mobile application on your mobile device. You can contact the Australian Immunisation Register on 1800 653 809 or request your records from your local public health unit. Both international and domestic students can check with their parents or carers for your baby vaccination book, school immunisation history and/or travel vaccination records. Or you can request an immunisation summary from your previous GP or doctor. You also need to make sure your name is clearly visible on all your vaccination history and that your documents are scanned and copied. In your first appointment, you will sit with a nurse and together you will go through your history and work out a plan to get you fit for placement. This plan is specific to your degree and your vaccine history. Once we have a plan for your vaccinations and any blood tests that are required, then you will see the doctor. The doctor will confirm this plan and order the relevant vaccinations and blood tests you require. It is important to know that all nurse appointments are free to all Griffith Uni students, and those students with Medicare and Allianz OSHC are bulk billed or direct billed when seeing a doctor in the health and medical services. If you hold another OSHC insurance, you'll need to pay for your consultation up front and claim back the cost from your insurance provider. Your Fit for Placement plan may incorporate vaccines or blood tests for Hepatitis B and C, measles, mumps, rubella, HIV and varicella or chickenpox. So let's talk about Charlie and how they're going to get fit for placement. Charlie didn't get time to look for their immunisation records and booked in to see the nurse. Because Charlie has no records of vaccinations, their fit for placement requirements are delayed for at least 5 months. Charlie needs to provide evidence of all vaccinations and serology for their degree. Most vaccines can be done within a month, but the longest vaccine schedule is Hepatitis B. It is 3 vaccines over 4 months and a blood test 1 month after the last vaccine. So Charlie won't be fit for placement for at least 5 months. The vaccines and blood tests are not covered by Medicare or your OSHC insurance, but we do offer low-cost vaccines and blood tests to help with your budget. So the more vaccine history you find from when you were a baby or adolescent or even travel vaccines, the less it will cost you in getting fit for placement. There are limited spaces in the Health and Medical Services vaccination clinics, so you'll need to get in quick to get an appointment. If you have your own doctor off campus, feel free to take along our vaccine clinic brochure to help them create a vaccine plan that is right for you. Once you have registered with us, you can book any future appointments via our online bookings or with the Appoint You app or through the Griffith Health and Medical Services website. Follow us on social media for health promotions and updates from the Health and Medical Services.